everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my BoxyCharm base box for the month of August. To see what I got, stay tuned. Now before I open it, first off, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos. That's what I do. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's pretty simple. BoxyCharm is a makeup skincare box. I get the base box, which is $25, and you're guaranteed to get $125 worth of products in here. So, I will leave all the information down in the description box if you're interested in learning about the different levels of BoxyCharm that you can get. But with that said, let's go ahead. I already cut the tape open. And this is the way it looks when you open it. And this month's theme is about spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. And I have variation number 11. And you get the card, which I truly appreciate, and it has all the items that I received in here. Now, also with BoxyCharm, you get to pick one item, and I missed the day that you were supposed to pick your item, so I have not the slightest idea what I have in here. I've been like trying not to look, so I could be a real surprise as I'm unboxing it with you guys. So, with that said, let's start with the big one, and this is a eyeshadow palette, and of course, this is Violet Voss, and this is the Essential 2 Eye Palette. And it says, these 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam as well as vivid pops of colors to liven up your look. And the retail value of this is $36. So there are the beautiful colors. They are gorgeous, and I have had the Essentials first one. I don't know if BoxyCharm sent it to me or Ipsy, but I did have it at one point, and I believe I liked it. So yes, that's awesome. I'm very glad to get that. So we will just put that baby right down there. And then Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Retail value of this is $105. Wow. A lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins help to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. The combination of skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. Let me see. Oh, I don't know though. I just opened that. That looks kind of dark to me. I don't know, guys. That looks really dark. No, I don't know though. No, I just rubbed it in and it really blended well. You can't even see it. So I'm gonna have to do some research on this. I mean, $105 for this? I don't know if I would have got to pick this, but I would have picked this. I might have went with a slightly lighter color though. I'm kind of nervous about that. I'll play with it. Okay, and here is something else, and I don't know what this is. This is something called Rockins Cosmetics, and this is a big fat liner. And it says, always start your eye look with your big fat liner. You can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. And the retail value of this is $25. So awesome. I'm not going to open this right now, but this says Kohl marker pen. So they are definitely working on the eyes. We got an eyeshadow palette and we got a big fat liner. And then this is something for your lips. And this is Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. And this says Clarins best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with this new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. So I'm not going to play with this right now. I can see it's a very dark color, and I already got color on my lips, so I'm not taking anything off. And I got a lot of lip products right now. As a matter of fact, I got 2 Lip Monthlies sitting over there. So yeah, I'm not even going to bother opening that really right now. I got enough lip products. Okay, and the last item out of the box is this. And this is Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. And this says Mind Tan Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydro Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrating skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. Retail value of this is $44.95. Wow. So I will add all this up, but wow guys, I really got a nice box. So we got this Tinted Day Cream for $105. We got this Sleep Serum for $44.95. We got a Velvet Lip Perfector for $26. We got a Big Fat Liner, and this was $25. And then we got the lovely eyeshadow palette, and that was $36. So as you can see, for $25, you definitely get your money's worth, and I think I did okay with not picking. I'm not mad that I didn't get to pick, because I think I would have picked one of these items. I don't know which item was the pick. I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know down in the comment section. But I'm happy with everything I got. I'm definitely interested in playing with that color, and I hope it works for me. I'm going to see if I can see a color on here. It says lightweight and sheer. So it probably really does blend out, and I'm probably getting nervous for no reason. Okay, I don't even see a color or a shade on here, so I'm definitely going to have to look into this. Okay, so if you guys like this video, definitely hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye.